Hi, good team. Steve Hamill here, Director of Operations for Populist. Our theme this newsletter is quality partnering. I want us to think for a few moments about what that means for the customer. Our passion is to make life better. How do we make life better for the customer? As we show up and perform the work that was agreed upon and promised, we make life better for the customer. We don't want the customer thinking about cleaning. We definitely don't want the customer cleaning. We want to be the ones that think about cleaning and are performing the cleaning on a consistent and successful basis. When we do that, we get the customer out of the cleaning business and we make life better for them. I want to thank each of you for your part in making life better for the customer. In doing so, you are a quality partner, which is our niche as a company. Thank you for your good work, and I encourage you to stay warm this January.